Right, lights with Wieland connectors. Pretty simple as long as you know which way you're going with your connectors. So you start with a feed with a 3-pin plug on the end. Always has this type of plug on. Okay, it's that one, not the one with the holes in, the one that goes into that. Okay, so from there you've got your distribution blocks. These are 4-way ones, you get 3-way ones as well. You have 1 in and 3 out. Okay, this will go into that, it won't go into those. So feed, distribution block. For this demo I've got lighting clamps. The lights slide onto those, I'll show you in a minute. I've got 2 set up there. You have your lights and you have your figure 8 leads that go into the end of the lights. Right, so feed goes into your socket. We'll plug that into this extension lead here. Perfectly safe to work with live. If you don't want the light shining in your eyes, don't plug it in. Okay, it's useful to see if everything's working if you work with it live. So I'm going to take my first lead out of this feed. This might be a longer one if you're going up to where your lights are going to go. That plugs into the feed there, that goes out to your first distribution block. Feed goes in, only goes in one way, push it all the way in. From that we've got 3 outs. So we can take 2 lights off that, and if you want any more lights you then take a lead out from there to another distribution block and so on. So I'll just show you how that works. So I'm going to slide these lights onto the top of these clamps here. They just slide on. Okay, I'll show you with this one a bit closer up. To the top of that clamp, that clamps onto the wall, light just slides onto the top there and holds on like so. Okay, slides on and off like so. So we'll put these on here for now. From our distribution block here that we've got plugged in, plug your leads in. 1 and 2. Those leads, the figure 8 bit, plugs straight into the back of the light, like so. And there you have it, 2 lights. If we want 3 lights from that, we could take a third off there, or if you want more than 3, you get your next lead, however long you need it to be, plug that in, take it to your next distribution block and repeat the process. Either 2 lights in and a feed out, or you can have 3 lights on the end. So if you want 5 lights, you'd have a feed out to a first block, 2 lights, feed out, and then 3 lights off the end. Works the same with all the different types of lights that have got Wielands on them. So down lights and the floodlights, they plug in exactly the same way. Okay, these long arms fit on top of walls or top of shell schemes, clamp on. These twist like so, and also sideways as well, so you can direct the light to where you want it. So let's recap. Feed coming out of the socket, extend that to where you want to start plugging your lights in. Feed goes into your first block. You've then got 3 outs, so I'm taking 2 lights and then my next lead out to my next set of lights. Then I can go 2 more lights, another feed out. I can carry that chain on for as long as I want. At the end of that circuit I can take 3 lights off that last one if I want to. Okay.